Hello students, in the last video we had studied EVS lesson 5 safe handling of food and water, and today we are going to do the revision of the same lesson. In this we are going to study the vocabulary from the lesson, that is the new words, then keywords from the lesson. We'll do the revision from the textbook and the notebook, and we'll be doing the activity. Okay, but before we start, I'll show the photos to you that for this lesson, safe handling of food and water. Since this is a revision video, you should know the photo. You can see the photos and recollect things. Just wait. In the last video I had shown this, that we eat different kinds of fruits and vegetables and dairy products, and it gives us a special thing which helps us to grow and to remain healthy. But only eating this is not enough. We need to follow some rules for the safe handling of food and water. Okay, you can see so what were the rules of safe handling of food and water? We should keep cooked food in the fridge. You can keep vegetable milk in the fridge so that it will not get spoiled. Then you should cover the food with a wire mesh net. Keep food in the fridge. Keeping vegetables and fruits, meat, so that it will not get spoiled. You should keep in fridge. If you keep it in the open, after some hours this food will get spoiled. Then wash vegetables before eating, before cooking. See, fridge, you can keep whatever food after cooking, or whatever, like juices, milk, vegetables, butter, cheese, so many things you can keep in fridge so that it will remain for longer. It will not get spoiled. Then your doors and windows should have wire mesh jali. Here you can see the net. Your food should not be kept open. If you keep it open like this, and if you're not eating and just keeping it left open, then flies and insects will sit and dust will also settle on it, and when you eat the same food you will fall sick. Sometimes mummy is keeping the food on the table, but you're not eating it, you're watching TV. So during that time this thing may happen. So never leave it open. See, you can see bread left open for longer time, flies are sitting on it. So door with mesh, wire mesh. See, food left out, then fungus is developed on this, germs are growing on it, and if you eat this same food, you will fall sick. You can see here, see, fungus is growing here. Fungus is a type of germ which we cannot see. Here you can see flies sitting on the watermelon, see, on the cake. And if you eat, just imagine if you eat such food, what will happen. Okay, next is, before after eating you should brush your teeth. Then you can see the germs, small, very small, it cannot be seen in your hands. That is why it is said that we should wash our hands before eating, or whenever you coming from outside, after playing also. As you come home you should wash your hand with soap. Always make this good habit, always. Then Always eat from your own plate and sit with your family and eat. Cut your nails if it's too big. Wash your hands with soap. Eat from your own plate. Then here, see nails, cut your nails because germs, dirt is getting collected, and if you eat with the same hand, you will fall sick. Have dinner at the proper time. Lunch, afternoon time you are having food, no lunch time. Then breakfast time, morning. While eating you should not talk. Then after eating, brush your teeth, gargle your mouth with water so that whatever food particles stuck up in your teeth will get removed. Okay, this is a good habit. Many children, what they do after eating, just they go and sleep, or else they will do the work, they will not gargle. Then what will happen? Your teeth will get spoiled, and then you have to go to doctor. If it pains badly, you have to go to doctor. Then storage of water. You have to store water in proper containers, clean containers, so that you can drink clean water. Then water, you can boil the water, filter it and keep, or filter and keep. Boiling will kill the germs. Okay, whatever germs are there in this water, it will, because of boiling, the germs will get killed, and then you can get pure water. Here you can see filtering of the water. You can use some water filters like this for filtering the water. So clean water, always drink 6 to 8 glass of water. Always cover the water with a lid. See, covering is very important. If you leave the spots open, what will happen? Dust will go inside, germs will be there in it then. Okay, so now we'll go to the vocabulary from the lesson. As I always tell you, that always learn the spellings of the words you come across in the lesson, because ultimately you have to write in exam, and this will improve your spellings also and vocabulary also. Different, special, healthy, nutrients, handling, carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, calcium, prevent, diseases, houseflies, vegetables, fruits, insects, stored, refrigerator, fresh, stale, breakfast, lunch, dinner, vendor, rinse, covered, supplied. Now you will say, teacher, so many difficult words are there, but no need to worry. If you break the word, it becomes very easy to remember. Now different, diff, 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 rent, differ, different, RENT, rent, different. Then special, SPE, special, CIAL, special. Healthy, health spelling HEALTH and Y, healthy. Nutrients, new and new. Nutrients, TRI, ends, ENTS. Handling, hand spelling HAND, hand. Ling, 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 handling. So it becomes so easy. Carbohydrates, now such a big word, carbohydrate. So break the word car spelling, CAR, car, carbo, BOBO. High, HY high. Dre, DRA. Dates, TS. Dates, DRATS. Dates. So it becomes so easy. Protein, pro. Teen, TEIN, protein. Fats, fat spelling, FAT, fat. And S, fats. Vitamins, VIV, ta, ta, mins, MINS, vitamins. Calcium, calcium, CIUM, calcium. Prevent, prevent, VENT. Diseases, D I D C spelling SEAC, SES. Diseases, house flies, house spelling HOUSE, flies, fly FLI, and ES. Vegetables, veggie spelling VEGE, veggie. Table spelling TABLES, tables. So easy. Fruits, FRU, fruits. It's ITS, fruits. Insects, in sec, SEC. When you say sex, SECTS, sex. Then stored, STO, stored, RED, stored. Refrigerator, now again such a big spelling, refrigerator. Break, ref, ref. Re, JEG, ray, tar. So if you have broken the word, see, such a big spelling also you can learn. Refrigerator, like this. Break the word. Fresh, this is fresh. Resh, RESH, resh. Stale, stay, stay. When you say stale, what sound is coming? LE. So what you have to spell? LE. Breakfast, break spelling BREAK, break, you know the spelling. And fast, FAST, fast. Breakfast. Lunch, LUN, LUN. And when you say lunch, CH, lunch. Dinner, DIN, dinner, NER. Vendor, VEN, DOR, rinse, rinse soap you get, no, RIN. And rinse, when you say, what sound is coming? SEC. Cover, now cover spelling COVER, and ED you have to add. Covered. Supplied, SUP, lied, LIED, supplied. Okay, so we are finished with the vocabulary from this lesson. Next is the keywords. Nutrients. Now what are nutrients? Nutrients are special things that special thing in the food which helps us to grow and live. Now diseases. What is diseases? Means sickness, any type of sickness. Vendor, a person who sells his ware. I showed here. Who's a vendor? Here a vendor is selling his food items, or anyone selling food or anything is a vendor. Rinse means to gargle. I had showed the photo. After eating, we are taking water in the mouth and gargling. That is known as gargling, and throwing it out. So that is rinsing. Okay. Next, we'll do the revision from the textbook. Write true or false for each statement. We should eat only one kind of food. So we should eat only one kind of food? No, in fact we should eat all types of food. So this is false. Food must be kept covered. So always cover the food, I am telling you, no. So it is true. Stale food is good for us. Stale food means the food which is left out for many hours, जो खराब हो गया है. So it is good for us? No. So it is false. We must wash our hands before we eat food. So before we eat food we should wash our hand. It's true. We need to drink water to stay healthy. Yes, we should drink water to stay healthy. So it's true. Now here, in the last video students, I forgot to do this exercise. No problem, here only in this exercise only true false was there and this yes or no is there. Answer yes or no for the list of healthy food habits. Now if it is a healthy food habit, then you say yes. If it is not, then say no. Do you have a proper breakfast in the morning? Yes. Do you have lunch and dinner at the same times every day? Every day, like lunch at 12 o'clock and dinner at 8 o'clock you are having? If it is yes, then you write yes. And you should have that way. So it's a good healthy food habit. So yes. Do you eat only the food you like? Should we eat only food what we like? No. Do you drink milk every day? Yes. Do you eat from roadside vendors? No, you should not eat. Do you keep your nails short and clean? Yes. Do you wash your hands before meals? When you are having food, are you washing your hand? Yes. Do you sit at the table while eating? Or you are sitting on the sofa and eating? You are sitting on the table only, no, to eat? Yes. Do you eat from someone else's plate? No. And you should not do also. You should never eat from others' plate. We say mummy may be eating, no, किसी का जूठा नहीं खाने का. So whatever they are saying, teachers are saying is true, because we don't want to fall sick. Do you drink plenty of water? Yes, we should drink plenty of water, so that whatever toxins from our body, bad things, will go out of the body through the sweat, you know, pasina. I have taught you in the previous lessons. So that is why you should drink a lot of water. Not at the time of eating. At the time of eating you should have little water only, but throughout the day you should have at least 6 or 8 glasses of water every day. Okay. Now next, tick the pictures that show safe handling of food. Is this safe? Then put a tick. Means you should cover the food, keep food in the cooked food in the fridge. Yes, it is a good habit. Safe handling of food. Then wash your hand. Washing your hand is a good habit. Safe handling of food and water, like before eating you should wash your hand. Yes. Then is this a good habit? Actually this is eating from one plate is not a good habit, so it should be cross. Should we buy food from vendors, those who are standing near the roadside? No. Okay, so we have finished with the exercise from the textbook. Now we'll do the exercise from the notebook. This notes I'll be sending on WhatsApp, and you'll get the link of this lesson. Okay. Lesson 5, safe handling of food and water. First, fill in the blanks. Dash your hands and rinse your mouth thoroughly before and after eating food. What you should do? Hands and mouth. Rinse your mouth. Wash. We should wash our hands and rinse our mouth before eating food. The place where we eat food should be dash. It should be clean. Wherever you are eating, it should not be dirty. It should always be clean. Do not eat food sold on the roadside. So roadside means the vendors who are selling food on the roadside, you should not eat, especially the pani puris and all. Avoid all such things from the roadside. You can eat food, those things from proper shop where everything is like neat and clean, everything is covered. There, from there you can have it. Eat food that is kept covered. So always eat food which is kept covered. If it is when you suppose you are going to some hot vendor, if it is open and all flies are sitting, so don't buy anything from such places. Only buy things. Suppose you are going to a this farshan shop, mithai shop. If it is open, don't buy from there. Always, if it is covered, then you can buy. Now answer the following. What are nutrients? Different kinds of food contain special things that we need to grow and to stay healthy. These special things are called nutrients. Okay? So every food is having special thing in it, and that special thing is known as nutrient. And nutrients help us to grow and to stay healthy. What does our body need to keep healthy? No, what are the things which will help us to be healthy? Let's see. Our body needs nutrients like carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and calcium to keep healthy. In the previous video, I had told you that carbohydrates, from where we get carbohydrates. When we are eating chapati, we are eating bhakris made of jawari, bajra, nachni, corn, and chapatis from wheat. We get carbohydrates, it gives us energy. Then proteins, from where do we get proteins? When we eat all types of dals, we get proteins. From where we get fats? When we are eating oil. Now you will not specially eat oil, but when mummy prepares vegetables, food, she uses oil for that. So automatically we get fat through that food only. Then when we eat butter, cheese, we get fats. Then vitamins, when we eat fruits, we get vitamins. So always you should have fruits daily in your diet. Anytime you can, after eating food, you can have one fruit, or in the breakfast you can have one fruit. Then calcium, when we drink milk, we get calcium. Okay, that makes our bones strong. So that's all with the revision part from the textbook and the notebook. Now activity. This also I'll send the picture, this photo of this on WhatsApp. The activities, you have to write the names of the vegetables. Whatever vegetable names you know, you write it, like brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower, potato, whatever. Fruits, all the fruits name you can write here. Then you can write the food what you get from animals, like meat, egg, milk, whatever. And dairy products, milk, cheese, paneer, that you can write here. Okay, so students, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much.